Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to make a song in Suno AI. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Suno AI application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Suno AI application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the Explore interface. So if you want to make a song using the Suno AI, you'll be able to do it very easily. Over here in this interface, you'll be able to find several options at bottom. What you have to do is simply tap on this create icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to make the song by simply entering the prompt. Simply tap on this field. Now you can enter the prompt according to your choice. If you want this song to be instrumental, you can toggle this button right next to the option instrumental. Also, you'll be able to find the options like male vocals, female vocals. If you want to use the male vocals, simply tap on the option male vocals. Likewise, if you want to use the female vocals, tap on the option female vocals. Also, you'll be able to find the options like guitar, emo, electronic, rap, synth, math rock, powerful, dark. You can simply tap on the options that you want to integrate on your song. Now after you do that, you can simply tap on the option create that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the song has been created. You can simply tap on it in order to play. But sometimes you might want to create a custom song. In that case, what you have to do is tap on the create icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for custom. Simply toggle on this button. Now you'll be able to customize your song. You'll be able to add your own lyrics. Also, you'll be able to choose your style and title. So simply tap on the field of lyrics. Now you'll just have to enter the lyrics. Simply type in the lyrics over here. Right now I'm just going to make the random lyrics. Likewise, you can also choose the style like male vocals, female vocals, guitar, emo, electronic, rap, synth, etc. Simply tap on the styles that you want to integrate on your song. You can also enter the title, tap on the field of title. Now simply enter the title over here. Now you can also choose the model. Right now V3.5 is selected. So if you tap on it, you'll be able to find three options: V3.5, V4, V4.5. V4 and V4.5 are pro options, so you'll need to upgrade in order to select those options. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you're done, what you have to do is simply tap on the create option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the song has been created. Simply tap on the song in order to play it. So like this, you'll be able to create the song by yourself. But sometimes you can also reuse the style of others and create the song. For that, what you have to do is go to the home interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several songs. So simply tap on the song that you like. Now you can see over here that song will be played. You'll be able to find several icons. Simply tap on the three dots that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option reuse style. Now you'll be able to reuse the style. You can make the changes to lyrics, style, title and model and simply create the song for yourself. Simply tap on the option create. Now like this too, you'll be able to create the song. So that is how you make a song in Suno AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.